Namaskar and welcome to the HMIS training session. In this video, we will learn how to digitally sign referral letters using a digital signature certificate, also known as DSC, in the HMIS referral module. This feature helps ensure that referral documents are secure, authentic, and legally valid. Let's begin with a quick overview. With the DSC feature in HMIS, doctors can approve and publish referral letters. You have the option to sign with DSC or proceed without DSC. And most importantly, it enhances document security and authenticity. Please note, currently, this feature is available only on Windows operating system. Support for Mac and Linux will be available soon. Before we start, let's ensure all requirements are fulfilled. System requirement. You must be using a Windows system. Software requirement. eSushrut Scanner application must be installed and running. Application status. The eSushrut Scanner application should be running in the background and listening on the required port. Hardware requirement. You must have a digital signature USB token, and its drivers should be properly installed. Now let's see how to install the eSushrut Scanner application. Step 1. Download the application from the provided link available in video's description. Step 2. Run the installer, click Next to continue and complete the installation process. Step 3. Launch the eSushrut Scanner. Once started, it will run in the background and you will see its icon in the Windows system tray. Step 4. Click on the system tray icon and confirm that the application is running and the port is active. Next, insert your digital signature USB token into the system. Make sure the token is detected. Certificates are properly loaded. You can also verify this using token utility software if needed. Open your browser and enter the HMIS URL. Referral Approval section. Select the required referral request. Click on Approve and Publish. Then click on the Save button to proceed with signing the referral letter. You will now see two options. Sign with DSC. Without DSC. To digitally sign the document, select Sign with DSC Doc. A prompt will appear. Enter your digital signature PIN carefully and click OK. Once completed, the referral letter will be generated as a PDF. Your digital signature will be embedded in the document. Keep these important points in mind. DSC signing works only when the eSushrut Scanner is running. Ensure the token is properly connected. Certificates must be loaded. Always enter the correct PIN to avoid token lock. If any issue occurs, restart the eSushrut Scanner application. Right-click on eSushrut Scanner icon and select Exit Scanner and then again start the eSushrut Scanner. Reinsert the DSC token. Check port connectivity. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure a smooth and error-free experience. For any further assistance, please contact the HMIS Support Team. Thank you for watching this training session.